And in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually steal 6 and 7 figure winners from the biggest dropshipping stores on the planet. Let's go.
It's your boy back here another video. And before we get into the video, things we got to take care of. First off, the winner for the giveaway is my boy Simo. He commented on the last video. So Simo, hit me up on Instagram at AvinR. I'll link that below. And hit me up so we can get you situated, get you with that call. I'll go over your store, your Facebook ads, whatever other questions you have for me. Next thing is, if this is your first time in the channel, you're looking for course level content without actually having to pay for a course. I'm your guy. I got you. I really appreciate it if you consider giving me a like, comment, subscribe, and also turn on that bell notification so you don't miss a thing. Lastly, I'm giving another giveaway in this video, so if you want to win that, it's going to be a free consulting call. Stay to the end of the video. That's really important. I'm going to show you how you can actually win that, give you the details of how you can actually win that, so stay to the end for that. That's going to be a good one. And yeah, let's hop into the video. Alright you guys, so here we are in my computer, and like I promised, like I said in the title, how you can actually find 6 and 7 figure winners from the biggest dropshipping stores on the planet, and take them from them, steal them from them, ethically of course, and start profiting and make some money. So this is the tool. It's called Comma Feed. You might have heard of it, you might have not. I'm going to add a little bit of twist to it. Basically what it is, it's a scraper, so I'm going to go through a little bit. It's an RSS feed, which basically what it means is you add different stores in, and from there, every time that they add a product into their own store, they import products into their own store, it's going to automatically show up here. So, obviously just from me saying that, you can even imagine how powerful that can really be. So, the biggest 6 and 7 figure stores out there, it can find all the products that they're adding, on a daily basis, and it's actually going to put it in to one, kind of list for you, just like this. So, once a day, once every maybe once every 2 days, you can go through this list and you can see what type of products that they're adding in. So let's kind of go through it first. Just going down on it, there's just products on products on products. So obviously, this is really, really powerful, because a lot of these 6 and 7 figure stores have, they have dedicated product research teams for them. So they have people that they've trained who actually know what to look for in products and add these products into their own stores. So you having access to that, it's almost like you have your own product research team, So, and now, like as you can see, going on this list, like there's, 10s and 20s and 30s of products. These had to be added every single day. I've probably already shown you, just fast, like probably maybe 10, 15 products, and it's only less than 24 hours. So, just think about how much potential this tool really has. Let me show you some of the products that they've been adding. Inspire Uplift, they're a pretty big store, and they have this magic mirror, anti-fog shield, car product, this charger, this bra thing. This is a pretty popular product. I've definitely seen this around. What else I got? See, it's another store doing the same product, so this is a hot product if all of them are trying to jump on this wave. Towel, pet sofa covers, skin tag, and acne removal patch. These are all obviously these products all have real good potential because they all solve a problem. So first off, I kind of showed you what the tool is. Now I'm gonna show you how to actually use it. What I'm actually gonna do is, because I pride myself on trying to get as much value as I can. I'm actually gonna give you a lot of the stores that I've actually compiled over probably the last year and a half that I've been doing dropshipping. And these are a lot of 6 and 7 figure stores I've come across, I've done research on. I'm going to give them all to you. I'm going to go down a list of them. Not all of them. I'm going to show you some of the most important ones, but you also have them right here on the side here. So if you want to just pause the video and write them down, you can do that. And after that, I'll also show you how to actually add stores that you come across into your Comma Feed, so you can actually get all of their products shown to you as they add them. So see, these are some of them. Blue Crate, Hazel Club. Let me give you 5 or 6, which I think are really, really good stores and pretty popular stores recently, because it's always changing, because some stores, they do get shut down. Let me give you the ones I think are great right now. Save and Offer Shop, that's a good one. Bulking deals with 2Gs. What's another good one? Distinguished Nerds, a good one. They have a lot of unique products. See, like, look at this Baby Float swim trainer. I'm gonna actually test it myself. This is great product this summer. They only added it 18 hours ago. What I love about this product is you can actually go and market this and try to test this product before they do. Like and you actually have just as much as a chance as they do, because they haven't even tested it yet. It's a little harder, when products have already been being tested and they have thousands and thousands of shares, especially because they've been putting tens of thousands of dollars into them, so they have a lot of data. So it's really hard to compete that way. But with this, they haven't even really started it yet. I would probably assume that even if they had tested only 18 hours ago, if you get this done quickly, take action right away, you have a chance to actually compete with them right away, right from the jump. So, really take advantage of this tool and be vigilant with it when you're doing it, and just try to take action as soon as you see a cool product. Another belt, shirt stay belt. That's a pretty cool product too. So Distinguished Nerd's a good one. I like Humble Household as well. Hopefully it loads. Charger, aromatherapy, humidifier. That's a great product for the summer. Towel dress. I've seen this product before. After that, I would say Shopper Day is pretty good from what I've seen. Some sandals. I don't know. Shoes have been selling a lot recently on on Facebook. I don't know why. All these products, all these shoes just look like, I don't know, like normal ass shoes. So I don't know how they're really selling like this, but they have been doing well. So maybe give it a shot if you want. Maybe if you're a girl and kind of, what are trendy shoes, you might be able to have an advantage in that sense. The last one I would say, I'd say those are pretty good. Let me give you one more. I'd say Highly Cool is good, and they've been adding a lot of products recently too. So the bras, some solution, one size fit jeans. So yeah, so obviously a shit ton of products. It's kind of crazy. Like, this is $592. I mean, I haven't been on this site in a few days, but it's just products on products on products. Like, it's crazy. Like, if you're struggling with product research, this is a great place to start. You'll find a lot of good ideas here, as well as products you should test. Like, this is just 8 hours ago, so you have a chance to compete with them. And like I said, like I'm gonna reiterate the fact, like, these dudes have big ass product research teams. These 7-figure stores, these 6 and 7-figure stores, or even if they don't, like, they know what constitutes a winning product. Let me show you how to actually add stores in it. So let me just say I wanted to add Blue Crate. I would go bluecrate.com/collections/all.atom. That's all you have to do. Just do the website URL /collections/all.atom, and that's it. It'll populate. I don't know if it will already for me because it's already there, but it's really that simple. That's how you add new stores. And see, there it is. Blue Crate, all the products that they've added recently. These are all the products of a lot of 6 and 7-figure stores, and they're all right here for your taking, like I said. So pause this video whenever you can, and write these down. Add these. These are just a few. Add your own as you come across them, and yeah, you have a great chance of succeeding. All right, you guys. So now, like as promised, how you can actually enter to win the giveaway. So what I'm going to be giving away is a free consulting call. It doesn't matter how long it is, 30 minutes, an hour, no matter how long it is. I'll stay with you till the end, till I answer all your questions. Basically what I'll do is I'll go through, help you with product research if that's what you need help with. Maybe look at your store, your Facebook ads, whatever you need help with, I will help you with. I got you. So to actually enter that, to win that call with me, just comment down below, what type of video you're looking for. Let me know what you're struggling with when it comes to drop shipping, or what kind of video content you're looking for, a video that you would like to see. It's that simple. Just whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. To win, I will pick one winner in the next video. You gotta make sure you subscribe though. You have to be subscribing. Just make sure you subscribe and like the video and comment below, and you will be entered to win that consultation call. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys if you watched all the way to the end. If you got some value out of it, please consider giving me a subscribe, a comment, a like, turn that bell notification on so you don't miss anything as well. And if you want to see more videos from me, here's a playlist I did. It's either here or here, I don't know. Here's a playlist I did of kind of beginner to advanced strategies. It's got almost like a mini course of Facebook product research all the way to Facebook ads, testing, and scaling. So click on that. Or if you want to see another video by me, click over here. Either one over here or somewhere like that. But thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.